So as described earlier, the course is going to be highly practical. So in order to be able to do that, we will need a lab, a place where we can learn and perform attacks against. So to do this, we're going to use a program called VirtualBox. Now, VirtualBox is a program that allows us to install machines just like normal computers inside our own machine. So I have one computer and I'm going to install other computers inside this computer. So they're gonna be virtual machines. Now, these are very important in terms of penetration testing. We're gonna be using them a lot to set up the lab. Now, it's very important to note that a virtual machine is just like a completely separate working machine. There is nothing you're going to lose by installing an operating system inside a virtual machine. The operating system will perform just like installing it on a separate laptop. So basically, instead of having 4 or 5 computers or laptops around us, so that we can try and hack into them, we're going to install these computers as virtual machines inside our own machine. This might be a bit vague now, but once I do it, it's going to become very clear to you how this is going to work. So basically, I'm going to have 3 computers inside my main computer. So I have my main computer, which is Mac OS, and I'm not going to do anything on that. That's just going to be my computer that I record the videos from. Now, I'm going to have a machine that's going to be my attacker machine, and that's going to be a Kali Linux, and I'll talk about what Kali Linux is once we get to that. And then I'll have 2 victims. I'll have a victim that runs Windows right here, just a normal Windows machine, and then I'll have a victim that runs an operating system called Metasploitable, and I'll talk about what that is. So basically, we're going to have our own machine, and then we'll have 3 separate machines inside this main machine. The 3 separate machines are the ones that we're going to use to carry out the penetration testing attacks, and they're going to be Kali Linux, which is the one that we're going to use for attacking, and 2 victim machines. Now, all of this is going to be possible because of the program that I told you about, which is called VirtualBox. Now, VirtualBox is free and you can download it from the following link. Now, I'm going to show you right here. If you just go into, if you literally just Google download VirtualBox, and we're just going to go for the first link right here, and just grab the version that's compatible with your operating system. So there is VirtualBox for Windows, and here is for Mac OS X and for Linux. So just download the VirtualBox version that is compatible with your operating system, double click it and install it. Installing it is very simple, very easy. You literally just, even for Linux, you double click it, click next, 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 and it's installed. Now I have that installed and ready. Now this is my VirtualBox. As you can see, it's installed and I have no machines right here. Now in the next few lectures, we're gonna learn how to install Kali Linux and the 2 victim machines, and I'll talk about what each of these machines does and why are we gonna use them.